Shawnee Heights High School is a high school located between the communities Tecumseh, Barrington, and Topeka, in which our diverse student population of 1,100 students comes from these communities. Our goal is to prepare the students of today for the opportunities of tomorrow. We provide opportunities for our students in the arts, and with our recent investment into our Performing Arts Center. We also provide opportunity in athletics with our multiple extracurriculars in which our students compete for Shawnee Heights High School. And then we provide our immense opportunities in academics, in which we focus on experience, such as our Shawnee Heights High School Bank and our Shawnee Heights t-shirts, and also our community service. And then we also provide opportunity through discovery, in which we allow students to go out into community and work with those who work in fields. We also build pride in our high school, in every single student, giving them the confidence that is necessary for them to succeed, as well as confidence that their school is here to support them. We have pride in our school, in our multiple activities and our extracurricular activities. We have pride in our community. Each of our students come from a diverse background in a different community, but we come together because we are Shawnee Heights, and the community that we come from helps support us, and we help support it through our different community services, as well as the pride our students take from the communities that they come from. And this leads to success, in which every day it is a great day to be a T-Bird, and we hope you can join us